Perfect, Navjot, but maybe someone else may have some questions. So let me answer those questions in case they have, because I received one question. So I'll answer that question over here. So maybe you can just listen to that. Yeah. So you guys can see my screen, right? Now, who is this? I'm unable to understand the video. Who is not able to understand the video? Guys, when you put the question, also mention your name so that I can relate who is this and I can answer you either personally or on the Zoom call. So it's easy for us to understand. So who is this who is not able to understand the video? If you can tell me what is the issue, then I can answer you. Sujna, are you not able to understand the video? What is the challenge you're facing, Sujna? Sujna, can you elaborate what is the challenge you're facing so that I can help you out? How to create a Facebook profile, okay? Profile is different, page is different, and group is different, Sujna. Do you have a Facebook account? Do you have a Facebook page? So you have a Facebook profile. So you need to create a page. Let me show you how to create a page. It is very easy, all right? So you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So you go to your Facebook page. All right. That is your Facebook profile. I'm sorry. All right. And then you log in. All right. So this is your Facebook profile. All right. Where you are having your personal stuff. Now to create a page, you need to go on the top. You will find over here create. So just click on create. All right. So once you click on create, you will find an option create a page, create an ad, create a group, event. So you need to click on create a page. So to begin with your new business. So you click on create a page. Now they will ask you two options. One is a business or brand. Second is a community or public figure. Now, if you already have a product and you want to promote that product, you will go with a business or brand. Now, if you are a teacher or if you are a coach or if you are a self entrepreneur, like if you are a profession of CA or maybe interior designer and you want to be the front face, you will create a public figure. All right. So the moment you click on get started, it will ask you to give your name, your page name. So give your page name. So in my case, my page name is Praveen K. Agarwal. And then it will ask you to give a category. So I'm a coach. So I will click on coach. So it will all right, I'll click on education. So it will say education website. So just select this as of now. You don't need to worry. And then you give the name of your page. The moment you give the name of your page like this, Praveen K. Agarwal 1, and then you click on continue. It will ask you to upload your profile photo or your brand logo. So if you are a brand, you will put your brand logo. If you are an individual person and you want to promote yourself, there are two things what you need to do. Either you create your personal logo and you post that logo over here, or you can put your simple DP. So when you put your DP, see that you put something like a passport size photo so that people can recognize you. And the moment you are done with that, you need to create your cover page, cover photo. So I showed you in the presentation how to create your cover photo. So you click on, you go to Canva and you create your cover photo talking about your business or talking about your mission statement or your product or services. Once you click on that, you click on you upload it and then you start with your page. So that is how you create your page. All right. So now once you are done with this, here you will find option to invite your friends. So you can just click on here and you can invite your friends. Once this is done, you will have an option to add a button. So add your button. So if you want to have a book and now appointment, you can click on book now, and then you can take appointment on Facebook, or you can link to your website, or you can have contact us. You can have contact us, send message. So just explore this. You will understand everything, and accordingly you have to put it, and then you have to create a post. So click on post, and then click on your image, whatever you have created, your welcome post, and you put it over here. Once you are done with that, you have to pin it so that it is there on your main page, and then you give more details about your page. So this is how you will create. All right, it is very simple. Just try it out. If you face any challenge, then you can let us know tomorrow, Srijana. Very simple. All right, now I have got another question. All right. So, Shravan, now your question is, what are the perfect dimension for ad creative in Facebook and Instagram? Does the usage of specific color impact the reach of the campaign in a positive way? Now the size is very simple, Shravan. Use 1080 by 1080 pixel. That is also called 1:1 ratio, because 1080 by 1080 pixel. All right. Use this size. This size in Canva, and in create dimension. All right, create dimension, it will show you an option, or create your size. And once you're done with this, now combination of colors, actually if you ask me, you can use either black, either red, or in blue. I will show you some sample creatives what I have done for my Facebook page. So you can try and do that, or you can put any good color, it should be pleasing. All right, so let me show you my sample creatives. Now these are my creatives, guys. If you see, today is Monday, so this post you must have seen on my Facebook page. It is Monday Mindful Tips. So like this, you also create your weekly calendar and give name to your creatives. Now it is tomorrow this creative will come. Tuesday myth. So one social media profile is enough, and then you have your logo, and then you have a comment, like, share, or save and share, so that people get engaged and they will create some engagement over here, and then you can have your name. So I am putting my name at Praveen K. Agarwal. I want people to search on Facebook and Instagram on this name, and then my profile should appear, and then they should like me and they should follow me. So that is the reason I'm giving my name. So this is my Wednesday creative. Wet no now day. Welcome emails have an average open rate of 82%. So this is how I have created my creative. And then this is my Thursday, that is Thunder Facts. And chatbot will dominate, configure your page with bot now. And then this is my Friday, it's your day, ask anything, ask anything about digital marketing here. We will answer it for you. So like this, you also create your Friday creative. Now this is my Saturday, that is social proof day. 100 plus entrepreneurs became infopreneur with our 5 days PKL binge lead mastery WhatsApp class. And this is my Sunday, that is an offer day. So join our 5-day training program, Super Saver Sundays. Get your Facebook page optimized from Praveen K. Agarwal for free. Now this is how you will create your weekly calendar, guys. And once you create your weekly calendar, you can use it accordingly on a daily basis. So you join on a daily basis approximately 8 to 10 groups, and daily you post in those 8 to 10 groups. I will tell you how to post. All right, I'll show you again. Now you see this, guys, this is my shop page. You can see all my products are over here. My Facebook lead generation, my Instagram lead generation, my YouTube mastery, my Google My Business. So like this, you should also create your shop page so that all your products are available for sale in your home page only. Who did not, you visit my page, guys, you visit my page and you like my page, you will find all the content which I'm saying, you will find everything in my page only, so that you will get idea how to promote and market to yourself. All right. Yeah, I'll show you an object. I'll show you that only. I'm just trying to reload my post. It is good if you add by page, Navjot, and you can post it from page only, because at the end our objective is to bring people to our page itself, not to our profile. So it is good if you bring them to your page, and from there you can start engaging them and making them like your page, and then start promoting. Now you see this one, this is my post on Saturday. So I'll click on share, all right? And then it will say share in a group. I'll just click on share in a group, all right? So I'll just SATS social day group. All right. And then here I have to give a group name. So I have see how many groups I've joined. So I'll just randomly select any group and then I will post. Now, this can be done more user friendly when you try from your mobile, because in that you don't need to search for, you don't need to type a group name. Automatically, all the group names will be shown in the group in that mobile device. You can quickly just keep sending it to all the groups, but don't spam all the groups in a single day. So try to do some like morning around 5 to 10, afternoon around 5 to 10, and evening around 5 to 10. Don't send all, if you join 50 groups, don't send all 50 groups at the same time. So Facebook will think that you're spamming and they will block you. So try like 5 to 6 or 5 to 6, 5 to 6 in the, like every 2 or 3 hours, every 2 hours, 3 hours. So that way you can post in all the groups, and then you can see how the content is reaching more and more people. All right, guys. So you see, this is a 1 is to 1080 by 1080 size only, Shravan, and this is looking perfectly good. You can check out my Instagram page. In my Instagram also, you will find same creative, same size, and that is my Instagram ID. You can just follow me, and then you can see how my creatives are looking in Instagram. So it's the same thing, guys. Don't change your size every time. Just maintain 1:1 ratio. That is perfectly fine. Any other doubts, guys? Any other questions for the day? How to add group spot? You just go to search. What is your domain? Navjot, what is your business? What is your business, Navjot? Shravan, what is your business? Can anyone tell some specific business of yours so that I can show you how to search? Trading. So it is like a retail group, retail marketing. Just search for retail marketing. You will find groups. Click on this group. You will find so many different groups. Hyderabad Bazaar, All India Wholesale Market, Hyderabad Online Market. So just click on this. Click on join. That's it. They'll ask you some question. Do you understand that this group is for convenient traders? If it is for something which is you're not interested, exit. Now let's say if I want to join Hyderabad Bazaar, I've joined. I've just clicked on say, request, and they have. It has taken the acceptance. So maybe by tomorrow I will get the approval. So you just join the group like this, Navjot. It is simple. Once you join, once they approve you, you can start posting content. So it is joining groups, not adding groups. Okay. Yeah. And you create your group as well. Okay. So this is how you do it, guys. So do it today. And you can join. I suggest join every day around 8 to 10 groups, Shravan, because if you join all of a sudden 50 groups now, Facebook will ban you. So try not to get banned. So join 8 to 10 groups on a daily basis, and once you get approval from those groups, start posting your content on those groups on a daily basis. So if you get at the end, if you get 50 groups approved, so send like 5 to 8 content in morning 8 o'clock, and then at 10 o'clock again send 5 to 8, and then again in the 12 o'clock send 5 to 8. So like this, you split the day and you keep sharing the content. Don't share content immediately in all the groups. You will get banned. So don't get banned. Do it like every hour you do it. It takes only a minute to do it from your mobile. So just share it in 5 groups and then forget it. And again after 1 hour you go back and then you share. You can join as many groups as you want. So this is how you can do it, guys. Just try it out on a daily basis. Today is Monday. If you have not created your creative, start doing it today and post it, and see how the results will come. Sujana, any other doubts you have? Cool. Then, guys, we will wrap it up. But you guys did not share your Facebook page in the WhatsApp group. If you have made your WhatsApp, if you have made your Facebook page and then share it today, okay, then maybe you do it tomorrow. All right. So share it tomorrow so that I can have a look over it and I can tell you if any changes is required. So Sujana, Navjot, Shravan, just do share your page on WhatsApp group. All right, along with the link. And please mention your key takeaways. I think only Shravan has mentioned his key takeaway. Navjot and Sujana, I'm waiting for you also to mention your key takeaways and use the hashtag which I have mentioned in the group. Cool, then, guys. If there is no further question, then I will wrap up this session. And I will share you the second video tonight at 12 o'clock. So try to see the video and start working on the same tomorrow morning, maybe whatever your comfortable timing is, so that we can again have the same Q&A meeting and you can ask all your queries and I can help you out. Can I wrap up this session, guys? Great. I will share you this recording. Just give me some time. It is getting, it will take some time to save. The moment it gets saved, I will share you this recording. You can do visit the recording for your reference. All right. I will do that. Don't worry. I will do that. No issues. So take care, guys. Thank you very much for joining my 5-day binge Facebook Lead Mastery program. Trust me, you will learn everything over here. The only request I have to you is take action. Whatever daily task I tell you, please do it. Unless you don't do it, you will not understand. I am giving you both knowledge, theoretical and practical, but you have to implement that. So please take some time out. This is your hard-earned money, what you have spent, and this is your learning, your knowledge. Tomorrow you can give it to others also. So see, now I just got my approval also. Your request to join Hyderabad Bazaar has been approved. Now you can post and comment in this group. So tomorrow my team will start posting comment in this as well. This is the beauty, once they give approval, let me show you how many people are there in Hyderabad Bazaar group. So now I've joined this group. 89,000 people are there in this group, guys. Can you just imagine? 89,000 people are there in this group. And then if I start posting, you can expect my post to go at least to some people, some places. And that's the beauty of Facebook, how you can reach organic. Don't spam. That's the only request. Whatever you're posting, post something which is more relevant. Don't spam, so that you get very good information over here. You get very good leads at the same time. All right. So guys, let's wrap up this session for today. But if you have any doubts, keep it with you tomorrow, and you can always mention in Slido. If required, I will answer in Slido directly, or else I will cover in this Q&A live session. So based on your question, I can answer it. So just keep posting on Slido so that we are all in the same zone. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Wish you all the very best.